This song is dedicated to all bosses and politicians all around the world. You're some of millions, and if we want, we're all against you, and then there is nothing you can do.
I'm the son of a working family. I'm the son of having no return. You said I'll never be something more. A little illusion of tomorrow. Every day you kick me into the dirt, and I shut my mouth when I'm word. And now it's already for me for the last time. Just what is yours and the section's mine. We are the working class. We are the heroes of the land. Which one exists without us? We are the working class. We are the crush of the land. Which one collapse without us? You never sweat till too high age. You hope you got before we get paid. You never sweat till too high